Hi, I'm Joel Minder. I work here at Ash as a wood engineer. We have 4 different CNC machines in total. There is the K2i Humdinger machine, there is the Humdinger Robot Max and the Humdinger Speedcut 3 and the flatbed.
Name's Daniel Watson. I'm a structural engineer at Ash. The capabilities of the K2i is being able to produce in one single line, so feedstock at one end coming through the MASSLAM presses into the K2i allows the parts to be processed without any additional handling. So within the many tools that are on the K2i, there's saws, mills, drills, and chainsaws as well too. So to be able to produce not just post and beam, but also architectural feature CNC to a tolerance of within 1 mil is critical. We also have a secondary unit, which is a Speedcut. That's, as the name suggests, focused on speed. So looking at smaller secondary members, but also for the ATC panel system, which allows smaller sections to be profiled at great speed. So it means that the throughput still matches the K2i, which is usually doing much larger sections, but in a shortened format with much simpler connections.
The Robot Max is the next CNC machine from Humdinger that is going to be installed here on site. Since we have increased our efficiency in the presses, the CNC is more and more becoming a bottleneck, and so the Robot Max will help to create more flow through the line in that sense. There's an upgrade in size, so it can go up to 610 millimeters in width and 1300 millimeters in depth. The flatbed CNC can process panels and cut out cover plates out of that, which is a part of our team.